Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at problem 1523. Count odd numbers in an interval range. So this is today's daily challenge problem. So in this video, we're going to explain the reduction of the problem or just analyze some thought process, because this problem is indeed very easy. So here, given two integers, low and high, we want to return the count of odd numbers in the range, but with low and high inclusive. So in example 1, so low is 3 and high is 7. So we're going to count 3. So this 3 counts for 3, 5, and 7. So in the second example, low and high are 8 and 10 respectively, and the output is 1. The counting is for 9. So here, this constraint is not that essential for us. So with that said, let's look at one example, right? So actually, both the odd numbers or even numbers, they form arithmetic progressions with gap 2, right? So here in this problem, so let's see, low, let's consider this case, equals 3, and high equals 11, see. And then the counting actually is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, right? So, but if you have a low that is 2, right? Because then this will be the same. The reason is that 2 is not a odd number, so it's still corresponding to this sequence. So similarly here, if you have 12, right, the same thing. This case is corresponding to the same arithmetic progression list. And then we just need to count the number of elements. So here is 5. So notice that, so for the arithmetic progression list, so we have a start and end. Then the number of elements is nothing but the number of gaps. So here is the total range is 11 minus 3, that is 8. But the gap is 2, so 8 over 2 is 4. It means that we have 4 gaps of 2, right? But the actual number of elements is 1 more than the gaps. So with that said, we are ready to do the coding. As we said or indicated by leetcode, this problem is an easy one. But here we want to explain the treatment of the process. So first we check if low is an even number. And then what we are going to do is to make it odd, because we increment low by 1 to make it odd. So because low is not included in the final counting. So similarly for high, if high is also even, and then we're going to decrement it by 1, so that now the state of low and high are actually corresponding to odd numbers. Then we just do the count. So let's first compute the gaps, that is high minus low over 2, then 1 more, right? So that's the return. So let's do a check. Yeah, it passes one example, right? Now let's look at the generic case. Yeah, it passes all the cases. Let's test again. So with that said, I guess that's it for this simple problem. Thank you.